What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing and first impressions video of the new V-MODA Crossfade Wireless 2 Wireless Codec Edition. So you guys may remember a few months back we reviewed the V-MODA Crossfade Wireless 2s without the Codec Edition upgrade, but they're basically the same exact headphones, but these have high-res audio codecs that are able to be played back over Bluetooth. So you have the aptX codec, you also have the AAC codec, and you have the SBC codec, all which can play wireless music over Bluetooth, and you'll still have a really good high resolution listening experience without using the cable. So we're gonna just open these bad boys up, we're gonna see what we got inside the box and the packaging, and then by in about a week from now we'll have the full out video review where we will compare side by side the wireless 2s versus the wireless 2 codecs, and I'll let you know if I hear that much of a sound difference and if you guys should upgrade to this new pair so that way you can have an excellent high-res listening experience or not. So let's take these bad boys over to the table and see what we get inside the box. Alright, so here they are, the brand new V-MODA Crossfade 2 Wireless Codec Edition. And the packaging looks very similar to the other Crossfade 2s that we had. And the difference is you'll see on the front here, you see they have the AAC, the Qualcomm aptX, and they also have high-res audio symbols here, Bluetooth. See more of the packaging here. And you can also get these fully customized as I have got mine done, so hopefully we'll see these at the same time together. And hopefully they came out exactly how I wanted them. You can change the shields, you can change the color of the screws, you can actually put your different logos on the front of them, you can get this 3D printed, or you can even have precious metals such as gold, gold plated, platinum, steel, all types of cool things that you can do right there on the V-MODA website. And the customization only takes about a week, week and a half, and you'll have these bad boys customized for you and for your stage performance. Perfect for DJs who want to set themselves apart and have something that just looks different than everybody else's. So let's just see what we have inside the box. First up is the Crossfade 2 wireless manual. You also get a V-MODA sticker in there as well. Up at the top, you have a warranty program and a 50% Immortal Life program. That means it only costs you 50% of the cost of your headphones in order to replace them through the lifetime of the headphones. So you want to register them there. That's all that you have inside the box, so we'll put this to the side for now. Really cool boxes V-MODA has. It's a cool handle here, like a nice leather-like strap. Really good stuff. So let's go to the headphones themselves. And you have your nice hard case. Nice and compact because you can click fold the hinge. Also comes with the quick clip attachment, so that way you can add these to your bags or whatever else you're carrying. So easy carried. All right. Up here in the top, you have your cable, built-in mic, and you have your one button touch here, so that way you can raise the volume, lower the volume, play and pause the track, or answer phone calls. You have your mic here with it. Nice braided style woven cable. Really good quality, just as with the other V-MODA products. Next up, you have your USB cable. It's a nice flat style cable. And you have your two connector leads here. Never will tangle because it's flat, of course. Really cool to see that in the box. And here are the actual headphones themselves. I got the matte black edition. They also have a white edition and a gold edition. We decided to go with the all matte black because they have a really cool look to them. And I got DJ Blaze written on them, and they're a textured feel to it, and my lucky number 9 as well. So really cool and customized. Also has your 1/4 inch adapter in there. and the cushions are nice and soft. These are like XL looking cushions. They're like a cross between the XL bigger cushions and the other soft cushions that you used to get. Really plush feel to them. They definitely feel different than the others, and we'll go over all the differences with the original Crossfade 2 wireless when we do the actual review. That same steel flex headband is there, and of course you have these nice click fold hinges. So we'll have the full out review for you guys within the next week or so. So make sure you guys subscribe to this channel so that way you know exactly when these videos are coming out. If you love this video, make sure you hit the like button, the thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.